Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on your XIAOMI 15T. So let's go to settings and you have to scroll to personalization section, and here if you scroll down, here you will see some wallpapers that are available under the tabs editors, pics, new, super wallpapers, system wallpapers. So you can expand it by tapping more button, and here you will see different kinds of wallpapers. Also, if you press find more button, this will redirect you to this wallpaper store where you can see online wallpapers that are available. So again, here are some wallpapers. If you go to categories, for example, here you can see sections, and let's open, for example, sports, and here you will see every single wallpaper that is related to sports. So here, as you can see, here are really many wallpapers that you can select. So play around with this and decide which one is better for you. Or the other option, that you can set your wallpaper directly from your gallery if you want to set your photo as your wallpaper. So let's go to gallery. Let's open specific photo that I want to set as my wallpaper, and I have to tap this three-dot button here, and let's select set as wallpaper. And when you're done, also you can rearrange it like this. You can adjust its size, its position, and finally when you're done you have to tap apply button in the top right corner of your screen, and you can select if you want to set it as lock screen, as home screen, or set as both. Let me select it as pair. Let's wait a little bit, and now as you can see, my home screen and my lock screen is changed. So basically my wallpaper. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.